Hi, pals. Welcome to another episode of Safe Mind. You can recall we have discussed about how to be successful in your application for health and safety jobs in the UK. Today, we're going to discuss about something different. We're going to talk about the soft skills you will need to make your job easy as a health and safety professional here in the UK. I'll also like to highlight why these soft skills are important. For example, in my previous company where I was coming from in Nigeria, we have a very robust health and safety department where you have over 70 something personnel. So in this kind of department, you've got division of labor. People do different things. You've got people in the operations. You've got dedicated staff. You've got people in the administrative section, environmental, ISO, and all the rest. So sometimes you are more or less focused on a certain role, and that's where you have more of your competence. But down here in the UK is a different ball game. In the UK, most organizations will employ only one person for health and safety process. You might be the only manager driving the health and safety process of the company, and you have to do many things for yourself, unlike where you are coming from in most of other countries where you have to deal with other people have to deal with some aspect of the job. So it becomes very, very important you equip yourself with some of these skills I'm going to tell you. Because of time, I'm going to take two important skills and tell you about them today. I'm not here to discuss about the basic skills as a health and safety professional. As you know, you must know the legislation. You have to know how to do risk assessment. You have to know how to carry out incident investigation. You know how to write policies and procedures. Those ones are basic. So no need of us discussing it. So we're going to discuss about the importance of PowerPoint. You must be very good with PowerPoint, and you must be good in PowerPoint presentation. So because PowerPoint will help you to present most of your data. Perhaps you are chairing a health and safety committee meeting, or you are doing presentation on the annual report, health and safety annual report to your management. So again, you have to recall in the UK you've got flexible work pattern where you have the hybrid kind of work pattern since after the COVID. A lot of companies do work face to face in the office, and a lot of people work from homes where you everybody join online and all the rest. So it becomes very important you know how to deal with PowerPoint and PowerPoint presentation, because it's gonna be very useful to you to deal with most of the information you want to put out there. It could be you want to present your post-incident investigation. You may need some meetings, and you have to put up your findings and perhaps your corrective measures. So PowerPoint will give you the opportunity to put this out, and also give you the opportunity, to do your graphical representation of your data. So another one you will need that is very, very important is Excel. You must be very good in Excel, because Excel makes your life easy, especially when you have to deal with records, tabulation of records, and also populating, dealing with your graphical data representation, because the Excel will help you to generate your data. So your raw data, you'll be able to put them in graphical representation, either in bar chart or pie chart and all the rest. You want to do your comparative analysis of your records, where you were last year and where you were this year. Excel will help you to do this very, very well. And like I said, nobody's going to do it. There's no department that in most companies that will handle this aspect of documentation for you. So as a health and safety manager or advisor, most likely you're going to do all this yourself. So for you to be successful, you have to get these skills. You have to, if you already have them, make sure you are good in them, or improve where you don't have very good competence. So skills you need, mostly you have to deal with Excel, and you have to deal with a PowerPoint presentation. And you also have to know how to do these presentations yourself. You have to learn how to be a good speaker. public speaking will help you. You can enroll in some of the soft courses, short courses online, learn how to do some of this public speaking, because you have um, different level of audience or different level of personnel you may need to come across. You deal with customers, you deal with third party, you deal with the health and safety executive. Sometimes you deal with the government, depending on the issue that is at hand. So you have your top management to deal with. So you have to know how to, present this information at different levels, depending on your audience. So this will help you, and many more I'll be discussing to make sure you find your life easy. And I wish you all the best of luck. If you find this video very useful, please help me share and like it. Thank you. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.